everyone, welcome to the Little Sprouts class at Garland Nursery for July. This month we are making a fairy garden. So grab all of your supplies and we'll get started. Alright, if you'd like you can follow along with the instructions inside the fairy garden brochure. There's also some other little fun things for you to do, a crossword, and some inspiration pictures on the back. So we'll start by taking the plug out of the bottom of the planter, because your fairy garden plants will need lots of good drainage. There you go. You can save that if you want. And then take your soil and fill up the planter about halfway. Go. And then pick your plants and place them in your garden. If your flowers aren't blooming quite yet, that's okay. They will, with time and water. I'm gonna turn that one around. So I have 3 little plants here. And now that I have them in a spot where I want them, I'm going to fill in the rest of the gaps with the remaining bits of soil. I'm going to start back here, give this tall guy a little support. I'm going to press lightly on the soil to make sure that it's all in there nicely. Make sure to get any holes that are between the plants or around the edges. I'm going to scoot this plant this way a little, so I have room for a little pathway in between the plants. Remember, with fairy gardens, you want to use your imagination to make a nice little home for the fairies. Just a little bit more soil in here. All right. Now it's time to decorate. So grab the little pieces. We have a little ladybug here. And a beautiful butterfly. And then I'm going to use these, maybe not the purple rocks. Let's do, I have some fun little stones. Yeah, let's do purple rocks first, or white rocks. Again, you can do whatever you like and whatever you think looks good. So you can sprinkle some of these on here to make a little pathway. And I'm going to put these shiny rocks on top of it. ladybug crossing sign so the ladybugs know where to go. Okay, little sprouts, I hope you had fun. This is our completed fairy garden. You can see I added some of the purple rocks, but you're welcome to do anything you'd like with yours. You can use fun little rocks and stones to create a little campfire. You can make a little swing if you'd want, whatever you'd like. Just use your imagination and have fun with it. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next month.